Welcome to day 16, 17, and 18 of renovating this old house. Let me show you the progress so far. All right, so let's quickly go inside. We have a lot of good news. Major progress is being made. As you can see, this room is swept, ready for this thing to be finished. One brand new window is installed, so has another one. As you can see, we had to add an extra 2x4 on the frames in order to make the windows fit good. I was unable to get the perfect sizes simply because I did not want to wait 8 to 12 weeks for the windows to get delivered. So I ended up purchasing these that were like 1 inch off on the top and on the side, but the guy was able to put them in, make them fit. So now we have to fix the stuff around, add some drywall, some trim, make everything look good. As you can see, brand new HVAC system is going in as well. The HVAC guys are about to be here any minute to finish the rest. You can see the window right here. We added a lot of 2x4s in this area. Still feeling under the weather. Let me open this room as well. All right, check it out. This is where we keep the majority of our tools. Look at this. It is still not dry. It is extremely cold inside the house. This window is boarded up so people don't come in and steal our tools. That's the bathroom window. It will be installed today. The guy that's doing the windows, he's feeling a little sick as well, so he's taking a day off. But when he returns, that window in the bathroom will be installed. I still have to purchase the window for the kitchen. Other than that, the HVAC system is being worked on. And now let's go in the attic so we can see the progress that's being made on the new HVAC system. Personally, I have not been up here, but let's turn on the light. All right, as you can see, this is the new one being put in. A lot of older insulation. That's the one that goes into the living room. They added these pieces of plywood. Check it out. Built this entire thing. Also added these supports as well. Check it out right here. That goes into the bedrooms, and there's one more for the other bedroom right there. Everything is very well supported on this plywood. And they are using these giant 6x6 posts. I do not know if you guys caught this, but my roofers, they put the vents on the roof, but they did not drill the holes for them. So those vents right now are just for show. I will have, once the HVAC stuff is complete, I will drill those holes so they actually have some functionality. So now let me show you how the outside of the house looks like. These windows will be gutted before Monday. That way we can load up everything in the dumpster and get it out of here. I'm already paying extra every day for simply keeping this dumpster here. It is almost full, but I believe we can fit these windows in. That way I do not have to order another dumpster. Let's go on the inside quickly so I can show you this window. As you can see, this window is brown on the outside, but when we take a look at it from the inside, it is white. The same thing goes for that window. So these two windows are not matching. They aren't matching if you're not going outside, but as soon as you go outside, you will see the difference. All the other ones are white on both sides. Now let me show you how they look from the front. This will need to be repaired. The plumber guy, he will be replacing the entire water line. He's only charging me $350 to replace the entire line, which is an amazing price in my opinion. All right, so that's the one window from the outside. This is the other one. As you can see, the 2x4s are showing, but we will cover those. Everything will be finished and it will look perfect. Also, the house is very dirty. The gutters are not on yet. So check it out. Yeah, like the water not being turned on is slowing down a lot of the progress as well. We cannot wash the house. We cannot clean this area right here to make it all look good. And we cannot turn on the machine to remove the drywall because it requires very hot water. Check it out, that's the window. Obviously, all of them will need to be reframed. The HVAC guys just went to purchase some electric cable, so they'll be back. But that is pretty much it. Progress is definitely being made. The budget is being eaten up very, very quickly. So as of right now, we have about $8,000 left to complete this entire renovation. The windows have been paid for. The labor has been paid for. The HVAC system has been paid for. I put down a $5,000 deposit. I still owe them $3,000. And I also agreed to have my bathroom done as well for another $3,000. Somebody else will be doing the bathroom. So $6,000 has automatically been removed from the budget. So that only leaves us around $8,000. That $8,000 will need to purchase us a kitchen, flooring, all the material for the bathroom, the molding around the doors, another window, electrical outlets, fans, lamps. I will also need to purchase insulation for the entire bathroom, also the stuff underneath the floor. So best believe money will be spent on that as well. Hopefully we do not go too far over the budget of $30,000, but we will see what we can do with $8,000. And once the HVAC system is installed, I will be back in the house and I will be doing a lot of the work by myself going forward, simply because I do not want to go way over the budget. And now when we take a look at the numbers for day 16, 17, and 18, you will see that we spend a decent amount of money. On day 16, I ended up purchasing the windows. I spent $705. Then I ended up purchasing a window for the bathroom on Facebook for $100. I ended up paying the guy $575 to install all the windows. I extended the dumpster on day 17 for another 3 days until Monday for an additional $30. Then I ended up buying more 2x4s and some spray foam for the gaps by the windows, and I spent $257.19. Also bought some light bulbs for $12.81 and some more screws for $22.23. On day 18, the guy that was installing the windows, he was not there. Only the HVAC guys, they came, they did more work on the HVAC system. And that day, I ended up spending $0, which is definitely good. So our total expenses right now are $19,002.33. But in the next couple of days, the expenses will be even higher. So hopefully we are able to stay in budget, and hopefully we are able to complete this property in the next 30 days or so. All right, everybody, that concludes this update video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.